Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to see all the fields of object in Salesforce Inspector. So I will open the Salesforce Inspector. So now here all the I want to type all the users fields in this query. So basically I want to select all the users fields. For that what you do, you will type all the field names one by one, but there is one shortcut where all the fields gets automatically here. So for that I want to make the query on the account object. So here I want to see all the account fields. So for that, just remove the id, then after click on control and spacebar. So you will see all the fields gets here, all the account fields gets here. And when you click on export, so you will see uh, currently in my org I have 13 records for the account. But if you have 10,000 or 20,000 records, so it will show you the all the records with all the details. Okay. And if you use fields all, then you need to set the limits for that. Account, see, account fields all. Yeah, this is the one more way. So to see the all the fields of account, but when you click on export, then you will get this error. Here you need to set the limit for 200. But previous one you do not need to set the limit. It will show you the all the records. Yeah, this is the small shortcut to see all the fields in Salesforce Inspector. Yeah, thanks. Please subscribe my channel. Do share it. Thank you.